Exercise 3.4, question number 15. Given 3 by 3 matrix. Assume A is the given matrix. First row 2 minus 3 3, 2 2 3, 3 minus 2 2. We have to find the inverse of a matrix by elementary transformation. I am going to perform elementary row operation. For that we have to write A is equal to I into A. A is equal to I into A. A is the given matrix. 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2 is equal to same order identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A. Then we have to, first step we have to bring A 1 1 as 1. To bring A 1 1 as 1, if we divide by 2, here minus 3 by 2, here we will get 3 by 2, here we will get 1 by 2, then you get fraction. If it is fraction, it is very difficult to calculate, further calculation. So to avoid fraction, I want to introduce 1 in any one of the row. It is possible I can bring 1 here in A31. How? R3 minus R2. 3 minus 2, I will get 1. 3 minus 2 also will get R3 minus R1 also will get 1. Or R3 minus R2 also will get 1. So whatever you operation, I am going to do R3 implies R3 minus R2. R3 implies R3 minus R2 equal to R3 minus R2. There is no change in first and second row. 2 minus 3, 3, 1, 0, 0. 2, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. Then 2 minus 3, minus 1. R2, 0, R2 minus R3 minus R2. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. So we got 1 here. Now what to do? We can interchange R3 and R1. R1 double implies R3. If A11 is 1, better make operation. 1 minus 4 minus 1. 2 minus 3, 3. Second row, 2, 2, 3. Same operation to here. 0, minus 1, 1. 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0. So we got it. Now we have to make A21 and A31 as 0. To make A21 as 0, multiply R1 by 2 and subtract from R2. To make A31 as 0, multiply R1 by 2 and subtract from R3. For that operation is R32 implies R2 minus 2R1. R3 implies R3 minus 2R1. R3 implies R3 minus 2R1. First rule. There is no change in first row. 1 minus 4 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 1. R2 minus 2 minus 2 into 1, 2, 0. 2 minus of 2 into minus 4, 2 plus 8, 10. 3 minus of 2 into minus 1, 3 minus 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. R2 minus 2 into 1, 0. Minus 3, minus 2 into minus 4. Minus 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5. 3 minus of 2 into minus 1, similar this case, is equal to again 5. Now, you have the same operation done here. R2 minus 2 R1. R2 minus 2 times R1, 0. R2 minus 2 R1, 0. R2 minus 2 R1. 2, 1 minus 2 into minus 1. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3. R2 minus 2 R1, 0 minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Then R3 minus 2 R1, R3 minus 2 R1, 1. Then R3 minus 2 R1, 0 minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, 0 plus 2, 2. R3 minus 2 R1, 0 minus 2, 1 to 1, minus 2. This is, now we have to bring A22 must be 1. A22 must be 1. To bring A22 must be 1, we have to no other way, we have to divide by 10. Second row divided by 10 will get here only here. After simultaneously we divide third row by 5 also we will get 1. There is for easy simplification. Next operation, R2 implies 1 by 10 R2 and R3 implies 1 by 5 R3. 1 by 5 R3. One minus 4 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 0 divided by 10, 0, 10 divided by 10, 1, 5 divided by 2, 1 by 2, 5 by 10, 1 by 2, 0 divided by 5, 0, 5 divided by 5, 1, 5 divided by 5, 1, 0, 0 divided by 10, 0, 3 divided by 10, 3 by 10, minus 2 divided by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 2 by 10 is minus 1 by 5. Then 1 divided by 5, 1 by 5, 2 divided by 2 by 5, then minus 2 divided by minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5. Now we got 1 here. Now we have to prove A320 and A120. A320 and A320 with the help of the second row only. With the help of the second row only. For that, what is the operation? If we multiply second row by 4 and add it with 4. Second row by 4 multiplied by 4, 4 plus minus 1, 0. For bring this is 0. To R3 implies R1 minus R3 minus R2 0. So the operation is R1 implies R1 implies R1 implies R1 implies R1 plus 4 times R2. R1 plus 4 times R2 and R3 implies R3 minus R1 minus R1. Now what is the operation? There is no change in the second row. 0, 1, 1 by 2. Here also no change. 0, 3 by 10 and then minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. R1 plus 4 R2. R1 plus 4 times R2. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus minus 4 here 4 r1 plus 4 r2 1 plus 4 into 0 1 only minus 4 into 1 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 0 then minus 1 plus 4 into 1 by 2 4 into 1 by 2 is 2 minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2 plus 1 this is first row is over then third row r3 minus r1 sorry r3 minus here operation is r3 minus r2 sorry this operation is r3 minus r2 r3 minus r2 0 r3 minus r2 0 r3 minus r2 1 minus 1 by 2 1 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 see here 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 say similar operation we have to do here also r1 plus 4 r2 r1 plus 4 r2 r1 is this r1 plus 4 times r2 0 here also 0 0 0 r1 plus 4 r2 is 0 r1 plus 4 r2 is 0 r1 plus 4 r2 minus 1 plus 4 into 4 r2 4 into 3 by 10 12 by 10 12 by 10 so minus 10 plus 12 by 10 is equal to 2 by 10 2 by 10 is 1 by 5 2 by 10 is 1 by 5 then 1 r3 plus 4 r2 1 plus 4 into minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is 1 minus 4 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 1 by 5 this over next r3 minus r2 r3 minus r2 1 by 5 minus 0 1 by 5 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10 2 by 5 minus 3 by 10 LCM is 10 LCM 10 4 minus 3 1 by 10 1 by 10 then r2 minus r minus 2 by 5 minus of minus 1 by 5 minus of minus plus minus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 carefully do it now we got 1 0 now we have to bring here 1 by 2 this 1 by 2 3 must be equal to 1 to bring a must equal to 1 we have to multiply third row by 2 if you multiply third row by 2 2 into 0 0 2 into 0 0 2 into 1 by 2 1 so the operation is r3 implies 2 times r3 implies 2 times r3 101 0 1 1 by 2 third row 2 into 0 0 2 into 0 0 2 into 1 by 2 1 right hand side 0 1 by 5 1 by 5 0 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5 0 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5 and multiply by 2 2 by 5 2 by 10 2 by 10 is 1 by 5 then minus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 into A so we got this see now we have to bring A 1 3 0. A1 3. First row, third column 0. Second row, third column should be 0. To perform first row, third column 0, we can perform the operation R1 implies R1 minus R3. R1 minus R3 becomes 0. To perform A 2 3 must be 0. Multiply R2 minus this multiplied by 1 by 2, R2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 0. So the operation is R1 implies R1 minus R3 and R2 implies R2 minus 1 by 2 R3. 1 by 2 R3. Because more or fraction, we need more space. Into R1 minus R3, R1 minus R3, 1. R1 minus R3, 0. R1 minus R3, 1 minus 1, 0. There is no change in the third row. Then R2 minus 1 by 2 R3, R2 minus 1 by 2 R3 is 0. R2 minus 1 by 2 R3, anything minus by 0, 1 minus 0 is 0. Then 1 by 2 minus 1 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 0. So we got now identity matrix. This is our identity matrix. Now there is no change in the first row. Third row, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5. Now R1 minus R3, 0 minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 minus R1 minus R3, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5, we will get 0. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5, 0. Then 1 by 5 minus of minus 2 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. You will get 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Then second row. R2 minus 0 minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 5. R2 minus 1 by 2 into R3, that is cancelled, minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5. R2 minus 3 by 10 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 5, 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 10 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 2 by 10. 2 by 10 is 1 by 5. Then minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 5. See, this 2 to cancel, minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, 0. This is 0. This is, we got the matrix. Therefore, I is equal to B into A. I is equal to B into A. Therefore, A inverse, first row, minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5. Second row, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0. Third row, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5. That is the answer. Exercise 3.4, question number 16. First row 1, 3, minus 2. Second row minus 3, 0, minus 5. Third row 2, 5, 0. You have to find the inverse of a matrix by elementary transformation. Let A is equal to this matrix. To perform row operation, I am going to write A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. A 1, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 2, 5, 0 is equal to same order identity value 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 into A. So we got A11 as 1. We got A1 as luckily we got A11 as 1. Now I have to bring A210 and A310 with the help of the first row. A2 to bring A210 multiply 1 by 3 R1 by 3 and add with the R2. That is R2 implies R2 plus 3 times R1. 3 times R1. Then for to bring A3110, perform the operation R3 implies R3 multiply by 2 and subtract from 2 R3 minus 2R1. That is the operation. We have to bring A2110 and A3110 with the help of the first row only. There is no change in the first row. 1, 3, minus 2, 1, 0, 0. R2 plus 3 R1, R2 plus 3 R1, 0 because minus 3 plus 3 into 1, minus 3 plus 3 0. R2 plus 3 R1, R2 plus 3 R1 is 9 because 0 plus 3 into 3, 9. R2 plus 3 R1, R2 plus 3 R1 is minus 5 plus 3 into minus 2. R2 plus 3 R1 is minus 5, minus 6, minus 11. Second row over. Then R3 minus 2 R1, R3 minus 2 minus 2 into 1, 0. R3 minus 2 R1, 5 minus 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 5 minus 6, 5 minus 6 is minus 1. R3 minus 2 R1, 0 minus 2 into minus 2, 0 minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. Is 4. Now do the similar operation in this matrix. R2 plus 3 R1, R2 plus 3 times R1, 3. R2 plus 3 times R1, 3. R2 plus 3 times R1, 1. R2 plus 3 times R1, 0. R3 minus 2 times R1. R3 minus 2 times R1, minus 2. R3 minus 2 is 0. R3 minus 2 times R1, 1. Minus 2, 0, 1. So we got 0. Now I have to bring this A2 must be 1. A2 must be 1. If we divide by 9 to bring, you can divide by 9 easily. Divide by 9 means 9 by 9, 1. Here minus 11 by 9. Here 3 by 9, 1 by 9. So it is a very cumbersome process. So to bring 1, we can check for some other operation. See, 9 plus 8 into minus 1. 9 plus 8 into minus 1 is 9 minus 8, 1. So we will get 1 here. So what is operation? R2 implies R2 plus 8 times R3. R2 implies R2 plus 8 times R3. We will get 1. We will make 1 here. R2 implies R2 plus 8 R3. R2 plus 8 R3. There is no change in third row and first row. 1, 3, minus 2. 0, minus 1, 4. Here 1, 0, 0. Minus 2, 0, 1. R2 plus 8 R3. R2 plus 8 times R3, both are 0, 0, 0 only. R2 plus 8 R3, 9 minus 8 into 9 plus 8 into minus 1. 9 minus 8, you got 1. 9 minus 8, you got 1. R2 plus minus 11 plus 8 into 4, 32. 32 minus 11, 21. 32 minus 11, you got 21. That is over. See, similar operation to here. R2 plus 3 plus 8 times R3. 8 into minus 2. 8 into minus 2. 3 minus 16 minus 13. Minus 13. R2 plus 1 plus 8 into 0. 1. R2 plus 8 times 8 into 1, 8. 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 8, 8. We have to do this. We got this operation. This is the operation in PJ. Next, we have to make A12 as 0 and A32 as 0. To make A12 as 0, 3 minus 3 into 1. Second row multiplied by 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. But that means R1 implies R1 minus 3 R2. Then to make A32 as 0, we can add this 2. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. That means R3 implies R3 plus R2. R3 plus R2. Now, equal to R1 implies R1 minus 3 R2. R1 minus 3 R2. 1 minus 3 into 0. 1. R1 minus 3 R2. 3 minus 3 into 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. R1 minus 3 R2. Minus 2 minus 3 into minus 21. 21 is minus 2 minus 63 minus 65. Minus 65. Then there is no change in the second row. 0, 1, 21. 0, 1, 21. Third row. R3 plus R2. R3 plus R2, 0. R3 plus R2, 0. R3 plus R2, 25. R3 plus R2, 25. Then here. R1 minus 3 R2. R1, 1 minus 3 into minus 13. 3 into R1 minus 3 times R2. R1, 1 minus 3 into 3 minus 13. 1 plus 39, 40. 1 plus 39, 40. R3 minus 3 R2. 0 minus 3 into 1. 3. Minus 3. Minus 3. R3 minus 3 R1. R3 minus 3 R2. R3 0 minus 3 into 8 minus 24. Minus 24. Then there is no change in the second row. Minus 13, 1, 8. Minus 13, 1, 8. Then R3 implies R3 plus R2. R3 plus R2 minus 15. R3 plus R2 minus 15. R3 plus R2 1. R3 plus R2 9. R3 plus R2 9. So we got these two 0. Now we have to make A33 as 1. A3, this 25 will become 1. There is no other goal. We have to divide by 25. Second row, divide by 25 all the elements of the row 3. R3 implies 1 by 25 into R3. 1, 0, minus 65. No change in the first row. No change in the second row also. 1, 21. All the elements of row 3 divided by 25. 0 divided by 25, 0. 0 divided by 25, 0. 25 divided by 25, 1. Then here. There. 40 minus 3 minus 24 minus 13 1 8 minus 15 divided by 25 minus 15 divided by 25 it is minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 1 divided by 25 9 divided by 25 9 divided by 25. Now we have to make this A130 and A320. A130, A320. To bring A210, A130, multiply this by 65 and add with this. Minus 65 plus 1 into 65. 65 minus 65 get 0. So this will become 0. To get 21 as 0, multiply by 1 by 21 and subtract from 21. So the operation is R1 implies R1 plus 65 R3 multiply by 1 by 65 add with this 65 into 1 65 plus minus 65 will get 0. Second R2 implies R2 minus 21 R3 to the opposite calculation. There is R1 plus 65 R3 it is 0, 65 is 0, so 1. 0, both are 0, so write 0. Whatever the operation, it is 0 only. Minus 65 into 1, 65, add with this 0. Then second row, R2 minus 21 R3, R2 minus 21 R3, both are 0. R2 minus 21 R3, 1 minus 21 it is 0, 1 minus 0, 1. 1 into 21 minus 21, 0. 21 minus 21, 0. Then third row, 0, 1. We got identity matrix. Same operation you do here. So there is no minus 3 by 5. Third row minus 3 by 5. 1 by 25. 9 by 25 third row. What about first row? R1 plus 65 R3. R1 plus 65 R3. R1 plus 65 into R3 minus 3 by 5. This is 30. 40 minus 39. 1. So this is 1. Then minus 3 plus 65 into 1 by 25. Minus 3 plus 5 are 13 by 5. Take LCM. Minus 15 plus 13 by 5 is equal to minus 2 by 5. Then R3 minus 24 plus 65 into 9 by 25. 65 into 9 by 25. minus 24 plus 5 are 30. 13s are 117 by 5. 39s are 117. This is 5 minus 120 plus 117 by 5 is equal to minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. R2 minus 21 R3. R2 minus 13 minus 21 into minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 is equal to minus 13. R1 R2 minus 21 R3. 21 R3 is plus 63 by 5 minus 63 minus 65 plus 63 by 5 is equal to minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Then 1 R3 R2 minus 21 into 1 by 25. 1 by 25 is 1 minus 21 by 25 is equal to 25 minus 21, 4 by 25. 4 by 25. Then 8. 8 minus 21 into 9 by 20, 9 by 25 is equal to 8 minus 9 ones are 9, 189 by 25. 189 by 25 is equal to 200 minus 189 by 25 is equal to 11 by 25. 11 by 25. Therefore, this is I, B is equal to A. Therefore, B, A inverse is equal to first row 1 minus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5. Second row minus 2 by 5 4 by 25 11 by 25. 11 by 25. Third row minus 3 by 5 1 by 25 9 by 25. 9 by 25. That's all. Exercise 3.4, question number 17. Matrix A given first row 2 0 minus 1, second row 5 1 0, third row 0 1 3. We have to find inverse of the matrix by elementary transformation. I am going to perform row operation. For no row operation, we have to write A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. A 2 0 minus 1, 5 1 0, 0 1 3, 0 1 3 is equal to same order identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A. Now you check here 1 here A 1 1 is 2 but not 1. If you divide by 2 it will become 1. This 0 again minus 1 by 2 1 by 2 you will get fraction. To avoid fraction what I have to do? Any one of the row I want to make 1. If I multiply by first row by 2 4, 5 minus 4 1. So second row I will get 1. In the next step I will interchange. So for that I am going to do the operation R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. R2 implies R2. First row no change. 2, 0, minus 1. 2, 0, minus 1. R2 implies R2 minus 2. R2 is 5. 5 minus 2 into 2. 5 minus 2 into 2 is 4. 5 minus 4, 1. R2 minus 2 R1. 1 minus 2 into 0. 0. 2 into 2 minus 1 minus 0, 1. R2 minus 2 R1. R2 0 minus 2 into minus 1. So minus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 1 plus 1 plus 2. There is no change in the third row. 0, 1, 3. 0, 1, 3. Same operation you have to do. There is no change in the first row. 1, 0, 0. R2 minus 2 R1. R2 minus 2 times R1 minus 2. R2 minus 2 times R1. 1 minus 2 into 0, 1. Here both are 0, 0. Then 0, 0, 1 into A. So next we have to bring this element as 0. Now we have to bring A11 as 1. So for that we can interchange the both rows. R1 and R2 interchange. R1 double implies R2. So R1 double implies R2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. 2, 0, minus 1. 2, 0, minus 1. There is no change in the third row. 0, 1, 3. 0, 1, 3. Like here also. Minus 2, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. So we got. Now we have to bring A21 as 0. A21 as 0. For A21 is 0, multiply first row by 2 and subtract from 2. 2 minus 2 into 1 is 0. For that operation is R2 implies R2 minus 2 times R1. R2 implies R2 minus 2 R1. There is no change in the first row. 1, 1, 2. Minus 2, 1, 0. R2 minus R2 R1. 2 minus 2 into 1. 0. 0 minus 2 into 1. 0 minus 2 into 1 is 0 minus 2 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 into 2 R2 minus 2 into R1. So minus 5. Minus 5. No change in 0, 1, 3. 0, 1, 3. Then R2. And wrongly I am sorry. 2 minus 2 into 1, 0. 0 minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2 into 2, minus 5. Okay. Now here, same operation has to be here. 1 minus 2 into minus 2. 1 plus 4, 5. This is some other operation, this is for this operation. 1 minus 2 into 2, 1 plus 5. 5. 0 minus R2 minus 2 R1. 0 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. 0 both are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. There is no change in the first. So 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Then I have to bring A22 as 1. How to bring A22 as 1? I will multiply R3, this R3, 3 minus 2 will become 1. 3 minus 2, because if I divide by 2, to bring divide by minus 2, I will get 1 here, but I will get fraction, here fraction, here fraction. So to avoid fraction, what you are doing, as far as you will avoid fraction, therefore, to bring 1 here, what is the operation is, R2 implies R2 plus 3 R3. R2 implies R2 plus 3 R3. 3 times R3, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. R2 implies R2 plus 3 R3. There is no change in first row. 1, 1, 2. Here also minus 2, 1, 0. There is no change in third row also. 0, 1, 3. 0, 0, 1. R2 plus 3 R3. R2 plus 0. 0 plus 3 R3, 0. 0 plus 3 times R3, 0. Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 into 1. R2 plus 2 R3. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Minus 2 plus 2. R3 plus 2 R3. R3 plus 3 R3. Sorry. R3 minus 2 plus 3 into 1. 3 into 1 minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. R3 plus 3 R3, 1. R3 minus 5 plus 3 into R3, 3, 9. Minus 5 plus 9, 4. Minus 12 plus 9, 4. You got 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 3. Now here R2 plus 3 R3. R2 plus 3 R3, 5. R2 plus 3 R3, minus 2 only because 0 is there. R2 plus 3 times R3, 3. R2 plus R3. See, now we have to make A12 as 0 and A32 as 0. See, here also 1, 1, 1 with the help of the second row. R1 implies R1 minus R3. R1 minus R3. 1 minus 1 you will get 0. Then R2 implies R2 minus R3. R2 minus R3. R2 minus R3. R2 implies R2 minus. So here 0. Now R3 implies R3 minus R2. R3 implies R3 minus R2. Here R1 implies R1 minus R2. R1 implies R1 minus R2. R3 implies R3 minus R2. So that's it. A. Then R1 minus R2. R1 minus R2, 1. R1 minus R2, 0. R1 minus R2, 2 minus 4, minus 2. There is no change in the second row. 0, 1, 4. Third row. R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2, 0. R3 minus R2, 0. R3 minus R2, 3 minus 4, minus 1. 3 minus 4, minus 1. R1 minus R2, minus 2, minus 5, minus 7. R1 minus R2, 1 minus of minus 2, plus 3. 0 minus 3. Then R3 minus R2, 0 minus 5, 0 minus 5, minus 5, 0 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3, 5 minus 2, 3, 5 minus 2, 3. Now how to bring A33 as 1? You got minus 1. To get that minus 1, we can multiply R3 by minus 1. R3 implies minus 1 into R3. Minus 1 into R3. 1 0 minus 2. 1 0 minus 2. 0 1 4. Then multiply by minus 1. 0 0 plus 1. 0 0 plus 1. Here 7 minus 7. 3 minus 3. 5 minus 2 3. 5 minus 2 3. Multiply by minus 5 minus 5 into 1 plus 5 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2, then minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 minus 2. Now we have to bring A13 as 0. Minus 2 should become 0 and A23 A23 becomes 0. 4 will become 0. How minus 2 will become 0? Multiply by 1 with 2 and add here. So R1 implies R1 plus 2 times R3. R1 plus 2 times R3. To make this 4 0, use the operation R2 implies multiply by 1 and subtract from 4. R2 minus 4 times R3. R3. Now A. R1 plus 2 R3. R1 plus 2 times R3, 1. 1. Both are 0. 0. R1 plus 2 R3, minus 2 plus 2 into 2, 0. Minus 2 plus 2 into 1, 0. R2 implies R2 minus 4 R3. R2 implies R2 minus 4 R3. R2 minus 4 times R3 is 0. R2 minus 4 into 0, 1. R2 4 minus 4 into 1, 0. 0, 0, 1. Now we got identity matrix here. Now there is no change in the third row. 5 minus 2, 2. Then minus 7 plus 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Minus 7 plus 10. 3. 3. 3 plus 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Then minus 3 plus 2 into 2. 4. 4 minus 3 plus 1. Then R2 minus 4 R3. R2 5 minus 4 into 5. 4 minus 5 minus 20. Minus 15. Minus 15. Minus 15. Minus 2 into minus 4 into minus 2, minus 2 plus 8, 6, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 4 into 3 minus 4 into 2, 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5. It is I, this is B, this is A, therefore A inverse is equal to first row 3 minus 1, second row minus 15, 6 minus 5, minus 2, 2. It is the answer. Exercise 3.4, question number 12. Question number 12. We have to find the inverse of this matrix. Write A is equal to IA. To perform elementary row transformation, A 6 minus 3 minus 2 1 is equal to same order null matrix 1 0 0 1 into A. See, A11 must be 1. A11 must be 1. No 1. So now I am going to divide. I am going to divide first row by 6. R1 implies R1 by 6. R1 implies R1 by 6. 1, 6 by 1, 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 6, minus 1 by 2, minus 2, 1, is equal to 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 0 by 6, 0, then 0, 1. See, we got 1 here. Now to bring A21 as 0. To bring A21 as 0, multiply R1 by 2 and add with minus 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus minus 2 will become 0. Therefore, R2 implies R2 plus 2R1. R2 plus 2R1 is equal to R2 plus 2R1. There is no change in the first row. 1 minus 1 by 2. R2 plus 2R1 minus 2 plus 2 into 1. Minus 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 0. R2 plus 2R1 1 plus 2 into minus 1 by 2. 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel 1 minus 1 0. I have already told. After performing some operations, performing some row operation, all the elements of a second row are 0. All the elements of a second row are 0. If all the elements of a second row or any column or any row is 0, then inverse does not exist. Right? Inverse does not exist. For this, if we check, it is a singular matrix. Determinant A is 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. It is a singular matrix, therefore inverse does not exist. Then question number 13. First row 2 minus 3, second row minus 1, 2. A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2 is equal to AI. 1 0 IA 1 0 0 1 into A. How to get A2 to A11 as 1, but here 2. Don't divide by 2. We can do 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So the operation is R1 implies R2 plus R1. If you add both the number, 2 plus minus 1 is 1. R2 plus R1. R1 implies R2 plus R1. 2 plus minus 1, 1. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. Minus 1, 2. R2 plus R1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 0, 1. So we got 1 here. We got now 1 here. Now we have to make A21 as 0. A21 as 0 is, if you add these two rows, it will become 0. R1. R2 implies R2 plus R1. R2 implies R2 plus R1. R2 plus R1. 1 minus 1, 1, 1. R2 plus R1. 1 plus minus 1, 0. Minus 1 plus 2, 1. Minus 1 plus 2, 1. 1 plus 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now I have to make A12 as 0. To A12 as 0, add these two rows. R1 implies R1 plus R. R1 implies R1 plus R2. R1 implies R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2, 1. R1 plus R2, minus 1 plus 1, 0. Then 0, 1. 0, 1. We got the identity matrix. Now same operation. R1 plus R2, 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. IA is equal to B into A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This is A inverse. We can find A inverse by directly. 1 by determinant A into adjoint A is equal to 1 by determinant A is 4 minus 3, 1. 1 by adjoint A. You can change the leading diagonal elements. 2, 2. Change the sign of other two elements. 1, 3. So we got the same answer. So this is determinant A. This is A inverse. 14th question. 2, 1, 4, 2. 2, 1, 4, 2. It is a singular matrix. 4 minus 4, 0. Row inverse. Then we have to do the operation. A is equal to IA. A is equal to IA. 2, 1, 4, 2 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, A. 2, 1, 0. 0. Now, make one here. R1 implies R1 by 2. R1 implies R1 by 2. R1 implies R1 by 2. 1 by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2. Then 4, 2. 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2. 0 divided by 2, 0. Then 0. Now to make A21 as 0. To make A21, multiply row 1 by 4 and subtract from 4. 4 minus 4 into 1, 4, 0 will happen. So R2 implies R2 minus 4R1. R2 minus 4R1. R2 minus 4R1. 1, 1 by 2. R2 minus 4 minus 4 into 1, 0. 2 minus 4 into 1 by 2. 4 into 1 by 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Again, the second row, all the elements in the second row is 0. Therefore, A inverse does not exist. A inverse does not exist since it is a non-singular matrix.